We showed them what Balisong was.
Oh, jeez.
And I'm like, okay.
Can you explain Balisong to people who don't know?
Balisong is something that's outlawed by the LAPD. We couldn't carry him. But a lot of Pinoys know Balisong, a.k.a. the butterfly knife.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
It is particularly a Filipino-made knife. The Balisong comes from different provinces in the PI and transferred over here. Everybody brought them back here, so we always had an abundance of them. You know, until the LAPD started catching wind.
Right?
Very concealable. You know,
Yeah.
you hide them in your shoes, hide them in your pocket, whatever. You know, you can't see it. It's not a fully, fully open blade where you had to sheath it. So back then, from the 50s, you had Russian youth from East LA at Boyle Heights. These guys would come down in carloads and stuff like that and, you know, challenge the Filipinos. So I was like, really? So how did that go down? We showed them what Balisong was.
Oh,
And I'm
jeez.
like,